Hi, my name is Danny. I'm from Marco Beverage Systems Limited. This afternoon, I'll be showing you how to use the Marco SP9 brewer to brew a coffee with the V60 and the Chemex. As in all our baristas understand that we need to calibrate our system, so the SP9 should be calibrated before it's being used. You can refer to our SP9 calibration video that we have separately. I pre-prepared 20 grams of coffee at a single origin from Ethiopia. This is how you use the mandate holder. Position it and then make sure that it is slowly, carefully adjusted into position so that there's a minimal gap between the dispensing head and the mandate holder. For 20 grams, I've decided to use a 1:16 ratio. So I'm using 320 grams of water and I'm going to set to 2.5 minutes. Double click the brewing switch and you'll see that it will dispense the water straight through. So this is a great feature the SP9 has. If you know how to use this feature, just to pre-wet your paper filter and just take away the paper taste. Place your coffee into the paper filter. And just one flick of your switch, it starts brewing. The SP9 goes through a 9-pulse system, basically dispensing the water in 9 pulses. The first pulse being 12% of your total weight of water used, and the subsequent 8 pulses at 11%. As the V60 has finished its brew, I'm going to show you how to brew with the Chemex. It's very simple. This is a 6-cup pitcher Chemex, and we have a filter paper here from Chemex. And when you use a filter paper, make sure that the thicker side is actually facing the pouring side of the filter of the Chemex. Now we're going to just insert the Chemex below the SP9, and because it's relatively quite tall, all right, there's minimum gap that's exposed. Again, I'm going to double click the switch in order to allow the water to run straight through. But in this case, I'm going to allow more water. It's a bigger piece of filter paper. I'm going to use 30 grams of coffee, so I'll be setting at 480 grams of water at 3 minutes. So as the system is going through its warming up and preparation of temperature of water, what we want to do right now is just prepare our coffee, weigh out 30 grams. For such a large amount of coffee, in this case, what we'll do is that we will grind the coffee slightly coarser, maybe between 700 to 800 microns. Basically, from the Chemex, you can simply pour it out, one flick of a switch, and it starts brewing. In this particular case, when we use the Chemex, you don't have to use a magnetic holder. With the tips that I've shared with you, I hope that you do find it useful in your cafe as you use the SP9 to explore some of these tips and tricks and some of its features to help you to achieve a better coffee or a more optimal coffee consistently every single time. Thank you very much.